Good morning, scrappers. Finally we've got some better weather, so get outside and the birds are singing, the sky is blue. Best get on and do a video. But today's video is going to be a review of how much scrap I collected last year. So here we have my red book, and everything I collect I weigh and I write down in here. So hopefully we can all see what I've written down here. The steel I collected last year came in at 2,733 kilos, or 6,026 pounds. We have the aluminium, 159 kilos, 352 pounds. Brass, nearly 60 kilos, 131 pounds. Copper, 52 kilos, 114 pounds. I did stainless steel on, just as a comparison. Just a little over 22.5 kilos, just under 50 pounds. And my total for the year, absolutely everything I collected, was 3,080 kilos, 526 grams, or 6,791 pounds. And that's just me doing it as like a hobby, maybe an hour, a couple of hours each day, maybe a bit more at the weekends. Just things I collect at the side of the road, things people give me, though as it goes on, people give me more and more people get to hear about it. And it just adds up. It started off just, I think the first ever month I was collecting, I got 32 kilos. So, yeah, it takes a while. It's been a couple of years now. I'm not sure what other scrappers get. It'd be nice to see what the rest of you collect and see how we all compare. Hopefully we'll get another good year in. And thanks for watching. Thanks to the new subscribers. Thanks for all the likes and the comments. I do read all the comments. Again, thank you very much. Keep scrapping.